Hey guys, real quick, making a video to show you some vocabulary words and information to help you on plotting points on a graph, and as far as them rotating, or if there's a shape plotted on there, how to rotate it or reflect it. Just a couple quick things to remind you. This is called the origin, or it's 0, 0. Remember, this is the x-axis all the way across. This is the y-axis all the way across. We always go x first, y second. For example, this would be, I'm gonna make up a number here, but let's say that's 12 over, and that's 10 up. So this point would be 12, 10. X first, y second, okay? The other quick thing to remind you guys of is this direction, I'm gonna call it clock, and this direction is counter. Okay, so if I went around just like a clock, again to remind you, analog clocks have hands, digital ones do not. So this is clockwise, righty-tighty. This is counterclockwise, lefty-loosey. Okay, for those of you trying to open up that jar of peanut butter. Now, if I had a point somewhere on here, let's make up a random one, enhance. If I went over -3 and up 2, I'll write that up here. -3, 2. There's where my point is. And if it asks me to turn, or excuse me, rotate a certain amount of degrees, then I know if it's saying counter, I'd go this way. If it's saying, excuse me, if it's counter, go this way, clockwise go this way. So let's just say it said to go 90 degrees counter. 90 degrees means, let me see if I can fit this on there. 90, 180, 270, 360. Just to remind you guys, that's a fourth of a circle, that's a half a circle, that's 3/4 of a circle, that's a whole circle. So if it told me to go 360 degrees, all I would do is go all the way around. Now, a little trick I wanted to show you guys, you have these at home. I just got a piece of string and a whiteboard marker, and if you took your marker and stuck it on the dot, and then took your string, I mean, we'll see how well this works for me, and held it at the origin, you could and should be able to make a fairly, again, fairly is a hopeful word there. As you can see, it's not a perfect circle. If I had a compass, I could get even closer, but it should hit -3, 2. It should hit 2, 3. It should hit, my circle should have, again, not perfect, but the idea is there. Now you can see a much better looking circle. Looks like a hockey rink. So then if it's saying to go 90 degrees counterclockwise, once you guys have made this circle, you'll be able to see 90 degrees is, there's 180, and there's 90, or 180 more, but that's 90 degrees. This one's 90 degrees, this one's 90 degrees, this one's 90 degrees. So if it told me to go this direction, I know where I'd land. It's gonna have the same numbers every time. They might be in a different order. One might be positive, one might be negative. They both might switch integer symbols. That's what you'll have to practice on. So when you're doing the assignment, hopefully you've watched this video and you can make these circles, and you only have to do it once or twice, and then you'll start to see the pattern that goes on. Oh, it wants me to go this direction, that direction. If I go this way, only one number changes. If I go this way, only the other number changes. If it becomes a positive, it becomes a negative. Practice it, you'll get it. I believe in you.